Okay, today we are diving into some massive news that is going to change the way we look at smartwatches. Specifically for those of you who are fans of Samsung Galaxy ecosystem. For the past few years, Samsung has been sticking to its own house-made chips, the Exynos series, to power its wearable devices. Right now, if you look at the Galaxy Watch 7 or the latest Galaxy Watch 8 series, they are running on the Exynos W1000 chip, and all the other predecessors were also running on the Exynos chips. While these chips have been a solid performers, providing decent speed and health tracking, there has always been a conversation among tech fans about when we might see a major leap in power and efficiency. That moment has finally arrived because Qualcomm just dropped a bombshell announcement that is going to shake up the entire industry. Qualcomm has officially introduced the Snapdragon Wear Elite, a brand new high-end chip designed specifically for the next generation of wearables. What makes this so exciting for us is that Samsung was explicitly mentioned as one of the key partners for this new hardware alongside other big names like Google and Motorola. This is a huge shift in strategy. It strongly suggests that for the upcoming Galaxy Watch 9 series, Samsung is likely moving away from its own Exynos silicon and embracing this new Snapdragon powerhouse. This isn't just a small iterative update, it's a complete overhaul of the brain inside the watch. If the rumors and partnerships details are anything to go by, the Galaxy Watch 9 is going to be a completely different beast compared to what we have on our wrist today. Now, you might be wondering why switching to a Snapdragon chip is such a big deal. The main reason is something Qualcomm is calling personal AI. We have seen AI take over our phones and computers, but this new Snapdragon Wear Elite is designed to bring that same level of intelligence directly to your wrist. According to the official details, this chip is built with a dedicated AI engine that is much faster and more capable than anything we have seen before. This means your watch won't just track your steps, it will understand your habits, predict your needs, and provide much more accurate health and fitness data in real time. Whether it's a smarter sleep coaching or more precise heart rate monitoring during intense workouts, the AI on this chip is designed to make the watch feel like a true personal assistant that actually knows you. Now, beyond AI, the biggest win for all of us is going to be battery life and raw performance. One of the common complaints with powerful smartwatches is that they struggle to last more than a day or two. However, the Snapdragon Wear Elite is built on an incredibly advanced and tiny architecture which makes it extremely power efficient. It's designed to deliver extreme performance without draining the battery. This means we could finally see a Galaxy Watch that runs smoother, opens applications instantly, and handles complex tasks without breaking a sweat, all while lasting significantly longer on a single charge. For those of you who use your watch for GPS tracking on long hikes or constant health monitoring, this efficiency is going to be a total game changer. The new platform introduces a first-of-its-kind multi-mode connectivity architecture integrating 6 advanced technologies. 5G Recap delivers advanced low-power cellular connectivity for always-connected intelligence experience. Micro-power Wi-Fi enables always-on Wi-Fi connectivity at significantly low power for intelligent wearables that require continuous AI context syncing, richer data exchange, and seamless coordination with nearby devices and cloud services. The Bluetooth 6.0 enables proximity-aware interactions to help devices more precisely find, connect, and work together across a broad ecosystem of personal devices. UWB enables secure, precise proximity-based interactions, including device-finding interactions with high-value assets including cars, homes, and enterprise environments. The GNSS solution enables more advanced AI processing for precise location context that helps AI experiences better understand where users are and adapt interactions accordingly. And it goes on. The partnership with Google also means that the software experience on the Galaxy Watch 9 will likely be more polished than ever. Since the Snapdragon Wear Elite was co-developed with input from Google, we can expect the Wear OS platform to be perfectly optimized for this hardware. This means fewer bugs, faster updates, and a much more seamless connection between your watch and your Android phone. Samsung has always had great hardware, but combining their design with the cutting-edge power of Snapdragon and the software smarts of Google is like a dream team scenario for the wearable world. It's kind of an upgrade that makes you realize just how much potential these little devices on your wrist actually have when the right technology is inside them. So if you have been thinking about upgrading your current watch, you might want to hold off just a little bit longer. If the Galaxy Watch 9 line launches later this year with Snapdragon Wear Elite, it is going to set a new gold standard for what a smartwatch can do. We are looking at a future where our watches are faster, smarter with AI, and much better at managing battery life. It is an exciting time to be a tech fan, and I can't wait to see how Samsung implements this new chip into their classic design. Stay tuned to the channel because as soon as we get more concrete details or a release date, I will be the first to let you know. So be sure to subscribe, hit the like button if you find this video informative. Thanks for watching. I will see you in the next one soon. Cheers. Bye-bye.